Lunchbox.
Okay.
Lunchbox. Oh, that's big poppers. Oh, big poppers.
Best part.
Gosh, guys.
Tires. We didn't order tires.
Did it? Wow. Nice. They give you free tires. This one. See, it's
What you
much
got?
truck one.
Wow, Lunchbox?
You got the lunchbox, Elijah.
Yes, I do.
You got
Open it.
can of paint.
Oh yeah, that's my color. Your color?
Gracie's
That's
signature
the
color.
color. Tiger? Baby.
Shake it up. See what this should be our servo. That's our steering servo. I have no idea where these came from. We didn't order tires. Let me see that. Oh. You got tires for free somehow. Bring it here, Smoosh. Let's open it.
Oh, cool.
They're short course trucks. Short course tires. So they'll work on the slash.
The what?
On the slash.
I know the what.
Slash. The truck Rick's got for racing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Lunchbox. Was in this, Daddy.
Body parts.
Look, body. So body. A body. A
You
body.
can see it, Elijah. Here you go.
Okay. Dissy. Chassis.
Chassis.
Can I drive it? Can I drive it?
We're gonna build it, then we'll drive it.
Okay.
Wheels.
Wheels. More wheels. Oh, what's in this new box? Okay, I'm gonna figure that out. Ooh, parts. These. Oh, these.
Gears.
These. This one.
That's the bumper, so when you drive into Elijah, it'll go.
Ooh.
Motor.
That's how much to be touching.
That makes it go. Shock springs.
And stop!
Back in.
Awesome! Let's build it.
All right. Let's build it.
Yep.
See if it goes.
Hello. Now Dory's gonna drive me. Wait. Can I drive it? This is a very good turn.
Good job, Gracie.
This is the very first run of the Lunchbox.
Awesome.
That Gracie Krause, or Smushy Krause, and Daddy Krause, or Person Krause built.
Good job.
Look. I want to show you the body. Whoa. Whoa. Stop. Stop. Okay.
You did a good job on all those stickers.
Thank you. It's a food truck. This is the back of
Kind
it.
of making me hungry. I want a cheeseburger.
Yeah. Well, just this is
We're just gonna drive me down the tennis court. I'm gonna drive there.
All right.